assails the order of a learned single judge of the Lahore High Court, Lahore, dated where is the order gone? Page
10, my lord. The 13th of December.
Page
10 पे.
13, 12, 23.
10 पे.
13,
22,
22,
13, 12, 2023.
23. Full stop. The impugned order was passed on the writ petition filed under Article 199 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, within bracket, Constitution, bracket close, wherein the Election Commission of Pakistan, wherein the two petitioners before us and 8 others were arrayed as respondents. All the petition sought the raid for it sought a declaration that sections 50 within bracket 1 bracket close within bracket small b and 51 within bracket 1 within bracket closed of the Elections Act, 2017 was unconstitutional, void, without lawful authority and of no legal effect. The two provisions which had been assailed are reproduced hereunder. The petition further prayed. The said provisions Section 50 pertains to the appointment of district returning officers by the Election Commission of Pakistan, bracket में कर दें ECP, and Section 51 of the appointment of returning officers and assistant returning officers. Full stop. The petition stated that instead, it is submitted by Mr. Sajil Shehryar Sawati, learned representing the petitioners, that the stated two provisions of law have been part of the Elections Act and subsisted at the time when the last elections were held. Until date, no one has taken any exception thereto. Full stop. It is further submitted that this court, right, video italics में कर दीजिएगा. Its order, where was that order gone?
224 page.
Huh?
3rd of November.
The page?
2 to 4. 224. It's
had
3rd of November.
right, judgment dated 3 November 2023, tending to a number of constitution petitions filed in this court, wherein the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, within bracket PTI, was also one of the petitioners, oblique appellants, had sought a date for holding of elections be announced. Full stop. Pursuant to the notice being taken by this court, the President of Pakistan and the ECP met and decided that general elections should be held on 8 February 2024. Full stop. The federal government, the provincial governments, and Islamabad capital territory, all of whom were represented before us, concurred. This court held that, inverted begin, no one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy, inverted closed, bracket mein kar dein, paragraph 18 of the said judgment, bracket close. Full stop. The Learned Council submits that to enable elections to be held, to ensure elections are held on 8th of February, the certain number of days are required to do the different acts which the law requires prior to the holding of the said elections. And the passing of the impugned order at the 11th hour, if it remains in the field, would make the holding of elections on 8 February would not permit the holding of elections on 8 February 2024. Full stop. It is further stated that the ECP had drafted the schedule for elections. What do you call it? Program for elections. Election program. What is it?
Under which section?
57.
Had drafted the election program, capital E, capital P, which it was intending to announce today. But the passing of the impugned order has made this passing of the impugned order, that if the impugned order is sustained, this will not be possible, as without having district returning officers returning officers and assistant returning officers, election cannot be held. Stop. He further states that the learned judge acted in undue, that the learned judge has effectively decided the petition. That there is an inherent contradiction in the impugned order, because where is the impugned order page?
Page 10, my lord.
Because in paragraph 7, he states this file states, inverted commas begin, to place this file before the Honorable HON_BLE Chief Justice for the Constitution of a larger bench, capital L, capital B, inverted commas closed. And at the same time, in the successive paragraph 8, he suspends four notifications issued by the ECP, particulars whereof are as under. ये numbers ले लीजिएगा, उसके लिख दीजिएगा.
My lord, actually,
Please sit down. Who are you? We are dictating an order. Please sit down. Seems to be no respect for anybody anymore. Next time you do it, we'll hold you in contempt. Who are you, a lawyer? Where have you studied? Please go and sit at the back. I don't know what's happening, what sort of education is being imparted. Supreme Court is dictating an order and she comes and stands up. Is she with you?
She's not an advocate of this court, shouldn't have addressed the court.